Today we're going to talk about how to write a simple Java program, and we will also look how to create a Java class and simply print a hello world. And also we will look at all the parameters used in our first program. My name is Saurabh Singh and I am senior software engineer. I'm happy to share what I have learned over the years. So here we are in our IntelliJ IDE. I hope that you know how to create a Java project and packages. So today our focus would be to just create a simple Java class and print hello world in there. And on the left hand side, if you see, I have already created a package called hello world example. And this is the package where we're gonna create our new class and go through the different parameters in that class. So let's get started. So first thing, we create a simple Java class, and I would say the name of the class should be hello world example. And you see the name of the class should always be, the camel case, but the class name always starts with the capital letter. So we have a class created here, and the class by default is public, and the class always start with parameter a modifier public, and it is a class. That's why you see it is denoted here as a class. And next thing, what we're gonna do, so to write a Java simple Java program, we have to provide a method called main method. So that is basically the entry point for all the program. That is where, Java understands that, okay, this class has a main method. And if you run that class, it will look for the main method. And if the class has a main method, it is gonna execute the program from that point. So in order to, write a class, and in order to make it executable, you have to provide a main method in there. So, the by default or based on the standard, how we declare a main method in Java. So now we're gonna create the main method, and there is a shortcut for creating a public static void main method, and you can simply type psvm, and you get the automatically the suggestion. So just say enter, and you are already having a main method here. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna print simply a Java a system out println, and we're gonna print here uh, in main method. So, this is how we write a main method in Java. And let's quickly run this program. And if you run this program here, we're gonna see in main method. So you see that, our the first Java program is working fine. And yeah, so you in order to create a simple Java program, you just create a class, and you create a main method in there, and do whatever the simple logic you want to write in the main method, and you can run it and see if the program is working fine or not. And okay, so the next thing we're going to talk about is the different parameters into this class, right? So we will start with the public. So you see a class is declared as a public. So what is the public keyword? So public keyword is an access modifier basically, and it represents the visibility of this class. When we say a class is public, basically it is visible to everyone. It is visible everywhere in your project. And the when the next thing is the class keyword, and class keyword is used to declare a class in Java. And basically this is the class name, which you see starts with the capital letter. And again, if you see the main method, we have the public access modifier, right? And basically it represents that this method is visible from everywhere in your project. So, the public access modifier, it is visible. It is, you can access that method from the class. You can access that method from the same package. You can access the method from different packages. And why the static keyword, why it is present here? So static keyword is basically, we declare a method as a static basically when we don't want to create an object, right, of the class and access that method. So basically, the core advantage of the static method is that there is no need to create an object to invoke the static method. The main method is executed directly by the JVM, and so that it doesn't require, while executing this program, it doesn't need to create an object to invoke the main method. So that's why we have the static keyword here. The next thing is the void. So void is nothing but, it is the return type which is attached to a method, and it means that if a method is having the return type void, it will not return any value. The next thing is the name of the method, which is main. Basically, it is the starting point into this program. And then we have the command line argument, which is string args. And basically we are saying that you can pass the different arguments, basically array of string here, to the main method. And the next thing is we have system.out.println, where we are simply printing some statement. And here system is a class, and out is an object of the print stream class, and println is a method of the print stream class as well. So this was about the simple program in Java, how to write a simple program in Java. And also you understand the different parameters used in order to write a program in Java. I hope you found the video a bit of useful, and if you learned something from this video, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button. Thank you very much for your visit, and see you in the next video.